Hello everyone, my name is Maria Sanchez and I'll be showing you guys how to register for classes using your Student Center and DARS scheduler. This is a webpage is your Student Center. I hope everyone is familiar with how to navigate towards this page by now. On Student Center, we're going to go and focus your attention on the right hand side on these boxes. So the first box I want to show you is your hold box. You want to make sure you don't have any holds because this could prevent you from enrolling in classes. The next box that I want to show you is the enrollment dates. As you can see, there's two enrollment dates in these boxes. The first one is where you have a cap, a max unit of enrolling into 17 units. And the second date is the date where you could max enroll in 19 units. So once you have your enrollment dates all set, we could go ahead and register for classes. I would like to draw your attentions underneath the academic tab on the left hand side and go to plan. We're going to go ahead and click plan. Once you hit plan, it's going to navigate you to this new page. As you can see, we already have two classes in our shopping cart. If you use DARS scheduler to preload your shopping cart with your schedule, you'll find all of the courses here in your shopping cart. It looks like we already have some classes ready to go here. These are all the classes we pushed over from DARS scheduler. If needed, you could click on the class here to view more details. And if needed, you could request to be waitlisted for the class if full, enter a permission number to override certain prerequisites, or change the grade mode. Click Next to go back to your shopping cart. Let's search for a couple more classes so our schedule could be a little more full. So we're going to go ahead and click Search. In this new page, you're going to see three pull-down menus. We're going to go ahead and select a subject. So we're going to go ahead and select Anthropology. We're going to leave the second tab as is, and we're going to go select Course Career and select Undergraduate. For this case, we want to maintain the check mark. So we're going to go ahead and click Search. As you can see, a couple of classes have been popped up. We're going to go ahead and click one that does not intervene with the classes that we already have in our shopping cart. So let's pick this online course. So we're going to go ahead and click Select. Choose a laboratory. So let's go with the first one. And then hit Next. And then once again, Next. Once in this page, you could go ahead and click this box if the class is full, add a permission number, change your grade, so whether you want to be a letter grade or credit no credit class. It shows you how many units and it shows you who is your instructor. We're going to go ahead and hit Next. The next class that we're going to search for is going to be a popular class among our students here. So we're going to go hit Search, Subject. We're going to scroll down to Recreation Administration, Course Undergraduate, and we're going to go ahead and unclick this box. We're going to hit Search. We're looking for a very particular class. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, this class is waitlisted. So we're going to go ahead and select it. Click the box that we want to be waitlisted for the class. And then we're going to go ahead and click Next. As you can see, we have a pretty set schedule. So we're going to go ahead and validate these classes. Now, validating these classes is not a requirement, but it is pretty helpful to ensure that you're going to register in all of your classes. So we're going to go ahead and click the check marks. And then we're going to go ahead and validate them. As you can see, it tells us that we're all okay to add the classes. So we're going to go ahead back into our shopping cart. Now that we're back in our shopping cart, we're going to go ahead and select all the classes that we want to enroll in and hit enroll. Once here, there's 3 more tabs. We're going to go ahead and finish enrolling. As you can see, we have all 4 classes with green check marks, meaning our request to add and waitlist went through successfully. Read these messages carefully. We can see that for Rec 302, we've been added to the waitlist, position number 12. If you receive any error message, review the error message to determine what is the issue. You want to make sure that you've been fully enrolled in all your classes before exiting this page. If you need to edit, swap, or drop any classes you have enrolled in, you can navigate to the Enroll tab and follow the menus there. Adding, waitlisting, and dropping in class has financial and academic impacts, so check over your courses carefully and be aware of the academic deadlines each semester. For more help with Student Center, you could go to studentcenterhelp.humboldt.edu. You can find academic deadlines and more registration assistance on the Office of Registrar homepage, registrar.humboldt.edu. We are happy to welcome you to HSU and help you succeed at the university. Okay, ready, set, register!